USB.
Universal serial bus.
A computer understands only dash language.
Binary language.
This language consists of how many digits?
2 digits, 0 and 1.
These binary digits are called dash.
These binary digits are called bits.
1 byte equal to how many bits?
1 byte equal to 8 bits.
1 kilobyte equal to how many bytes?
1024 bytes.
1 megabyte equal to how many KB?
1024 KB.
1 gigabyte equal to how many MB?
1024 MB.
1 terabyte equal to how many GB?
1024 GB.
1 petabyte equal to how many TB?
1024 TB.
1 exabyte equal to how many TB?
1024 TB.
You can play CD in a DVD drive. But are you able to play a DVD in a CD drive?
No,
Why?
because DVD has 6 times more data than a CD. That's why.
See, what is the capacity? Measuring units we will discuss, right? And now you have to answer. 1 byte equal to how many bits?
8 bits.
1 kilobyte equal to dash bytes.
1024 bytes.
1 megabyte equal to
1 megabyte equal to 1024 KB.
very good. Now 1 gigabyte is equal to dash MB.
1024 MB